Class 4 Carnation are going to conduct an assembly on the topic World Communication Day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Marika of Class 4 Carnations of Ireland Public School, Bilaspur. Today our class has got golden opportunity to conduct the general assembly on World Communication Day. World Communication Day celebrates the evolution of one of the most important factors of our life, that is communication. The main goal of World Communication Day is to highlight the importance of communication and how information travels across the world. Now I would like to invite Nimesh for delivering the thought of the day.
Good morning everyone, my name is Nimesh from Class 4 Carnation. Today I am going to deliver our thought. Today's thought is knowing is not enough. We must apply. Wishing is not enough. We must start doing. Thank you. Friends, many inventions have helped people to communicate quickly over great distance. Let us have a look at evolution of communication.
Morning everyone. My name is Nimesh from Class 4 Carnation. The topic is telegraph. Telegraph. First, important telecommunication was telegraph. It was invented by Sir Morse. It could send coded messages instantly over a wire. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Then came the radio from Mr. Marconi to the broadcasts, messages, dance, and news, and so many other things. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Tirthu Singh from Class 4 Carnation. Today I am standing here to tell about telephone. Who doesn't know about telephone? The telephone made it possible to send the sound of human voice over a wire. Alexander Graham Bell invented telephone. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning. My name is Sushmi of Class 4C. Today I am here to tell about you television. Television is one of our world's most important means of communication. It shows us important programs like the news, documentaries, and sports events. We can watch films, listen to interviews, and hear the sounds of events that happen far away. Television teaches us about countries and cultures, and we can enjoy entertainment like series, comedies, and game shows. Thank you.
Now we all know that how internet has made it possible for people around the world to communicate through computers. The internet has changed the way people live, learn, work, earn, and communicate. The internet has given us a world without vast measure of time, space, no language, and most important friends. How can we forget the way internet has helped us to learn and grow through online classes, even during pandemic? I must say learning never stopped at Ireland thanks to our school and all the respected teachers. Thank you. Thank you so much friends for sharing such wonderful information about the evolution of telecommunication. It was very indeed very interesting. In our daily lives, there are many things that seem like magic until we know the science behind them. Now I would like to invite Adya to show us such a cool magical science experiment.
Hello friends, I Adya Agarwal of Class 4 Carnations, Aryan Public School, Bilaspur. Today I am going to conduct an experiment. For this activity, I need an empty bottle, a needle, a glass full of water. Take a bottle, fill the water in the water bottle. Now close the cap of the bottle tightly. Then turn the bottle upside down and take the needle and hold in the bottom of the bottle.
the water is not coming out. If we open the can, the water starts coming out. Look. So, see the magic. Water starts coming out. And when we close the can, water stops coming out. So, this is due to air pressure. The science behind it is air exerts pressure